Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which we will use the partial sum of an AP to calculate the common difference and the value of a term. So the kind of question we'll do is this. Sum of the first 6 terms of an arithmetic series is 393. Sum of the next 5 terms, 740. We're going to find the first term, common difference, and T32. So what we're going to do is use simultaneous equations. So the sum of the first 6 terms is S6. Well, using the formula Sn is n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1d. S6 is n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 is 5, n minus 1d. So simplifying this expression, 3 times 2a, 3 times 5d, I get 6a plus 15d. That is the sum of the first 6 terms of any AP, any arithmetic series. So I'm told that that's equal to 393. Now, if the first 6 terms add to 393 and the next 5 add to 740, that means the first 11 terms adds to 393 plus 740, which is 1,133. So S11, n is 11, n over 2, 2a, plus n minus 1d, making that a bit easier to work with. 11 over 2 times 2a, I get 11a plus 55d. So that's an expression for the sum of the first 11 terms of any arithmetic series, and I'm told that that's equal to 393 plus 740, which gives me 1133. I now have simultaneous equations, so I'm going to go through find a and d. So the problem, neither a nor d has the same coefficient in both equations. So if I times the top one by 11 and the bottom one by 6, then they will have the same coefficient. So let's times the top equation by 11. So in the top equation, I go 6a times 11, 15d times 11, and 393 times 11. So second one I times by 6, 11a times 6, 55d times 6, and now I'm going to do 1133 times 6. So now I want to eliminate the a's by subtracting. So 66a minus 66a is 0, 165d minus 330d, and then 4323 minus 2798 gives me 2475. So then I get d is equal to 15. So now I need to find a. So I'm going to substitute d equals 15 into this equation here. So I get 6a plus 15d is equal to 393. You know how to solve this, done it a million times. I'm going to subtract 225 from both sides, divide each side by 6, a is 28. So if the sum of the first 6 terms of a series is 393 and the next 5 terms is 740, then this is the series 28 plus 43 plus 58 plus 73 and so on. So to find T32, that's really easy. It would just be A plus n is 32, so n minus 1, A plus n minus 1 times D. And the number I get is just 493. How easy is that? All right, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Have a great day.